Suzuki is all set to shake up the automotive world with the introduction of an exclusive lineup of motorcycles that can be called the Yellow Gun series. The collection is designed to appeal to two-wheeler enthusiasts who are always on top of the latest trends, while keeping the spirit of this legendary brand alive. In 2016, Suzuki brought back the Sv 650, a legendary naked bike with an updated classic design and improved performance. After a hiatus of several years, the third-generation Sv 650 represents the revival of a model known for its perfect balance of power, handling, and riding comfort. The 2016 Sv 650 is equipped with its 645 cubic centimeter DOHC liquid-cooled V-twin engine that has been updated to meet Euro 4 emission standards. This engine is capable of producing up to 75 horsepower at 8,500 RPM with a maximum torque of 64 Nm at 6,800 RPM. The updated engine utilizes more than 60 new components, including a more advanced fuel injection system and improved combustion efficiency. The V-twin engine character still offers abundant torque at low to mid-range revolutions, suitable for daily use as well as leisurely riding on twisty roads. Adopting a concept that has been successfully adopted by several other manufacturers, the project will involve outside experts such as modifiers, custom designers, and leading motorcycle makers. They are given full freedom to create new variations of Suzuki's well-known mass-produced models. Meanwhile, Suzuki's in-house creative team will take on the role of adapting those wild ideas into more realistic, market-ready designs. The Suzuki Yellow Weapon series is a motorcycle concept designed to appeal to automotive enthusiasts who want a motorcycle with the vintage style of a scrambler, but with modern performance. It offers a trendy style with reliable capabilities on a variety of terrains, both on tarmac and off-road. It combines a tough character with a premium touch that makes it highly appealing to custom motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors who want a distinctive yet functional look.